In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the triangular prism. And here it is. It's got two triangular faces, then 1, 2, 3 square faces. To make this shape, you're going to need your pattern or your net, your tape, scissors, ruler, and a pen. All these materials were given to you in the kit. The first thing that we need to do is we need to cut out the form on all of the solid lines. So get your scissors and start going. When you reach kind of this outside corner, you want to overshoot it a little bit. That gives you a little bit of space to come around and go into the corner. You want to make sure you don't cut all the way through the corner onto the dotted lines, because then you'll have a hole in your pattern. Now, with this one, be careful. This edge and this edge here, they may look straight, but they're not. So you want to come in just to the point, and then you're going to turn just slightly and go out. So that's the one key spot you've got to watch out for when you cut out the triangular prism. When you're done cutting it out, it's going to look like this. The next step is to score, and scoring is going to help the paper fold. You'll need your ruler and the pen. On all of these dotted lines, place your ruler right up against the line and go a couple times back and forth with the pen. Again, we're not trying to actually make lines that are going to be seen. All we're doing is we're making a little groove into the piece of paper. And go do this all the way around. When you're done, this is what the form is going to look like. It is now fully scored. Now we can begin assembling. To begin assembling this, we're going to fold up on all of the score lines. Fold, increase, fold, crease. Just keep going all the way around. Now you can start to see how the sides here are going to come together, and then the ends are going to come together. The way I'm going to show you how to put it together now is I'm going to show you how to do the sides first. So we're going to do the sides first, bring these together, and the tough part about this is you want to make sure it lines up. So you can very easily get out of place with this. Just put a little bit of tape on one of the ends here, press it down, in this case you can fold it over. And let's finish this entire side. There we go, let's fold around. So now we have the sides of the triangular prism done. Really what we're doing now is we're just going to close the lid. So to close the lid, I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to hold it tight at the point. Just work my way on one side, work my way on another side. And if you can try to hold it down. And then to go across, if you want, you can take a bigger piece of tape, come around one face, press that down, and then come around to the other face, hold it down tightly, and push it down. That side's easy because you can hold it from the inside. Now we don't have that option because we've closed it. So here again, we'll hold it at this point, start working with the other end, Now if you notice here, I put the tape on the tab, and I'm going to use the tape to pull the tab down. Do it on the other side. Put the tape on the tab first, then pull the tape. That'll help bring the tab down tightly. And then close it up. If you don't want to use one big piece of tape that loops around this edge here, that's fine. You can assemble it whichever way works for you. And you have just now completed the triangular prism.